Hi guys, it's Sophia, and if you hear this bird chirping, that's because of the second video I posted. So today we're gonna be reading Puppy Dog Pals. The last pupicorn. And it includes stickers over there. I mean stickers. Just said it a bit wrong. Okay. So let's read it. Kaya is the new puppy in town. She just moved to next door to Bingo and Rolly. Kaya loves her owner, Chloe, more than anything in the world. Chloe has something special for Kaya, a tiny unicorn costume. There, now you're my pupicorn, Chloe says. My mom got me this because she knows how much I wish I had a unicorn. Kaya wags her tail. I wish you had a unicorn too. Bark, bark. Chloe waves goodbye and leaves for school. I wish I could do something special for Chloe like you do for Bob, says Kaya. Hi, Kaya, I got an idea, Bingo says. We can go on a mission. On a mission to get her one. We're going on a mission, the puppies sing. There's just one problem. Where do we find a unicorn? Kaya wonders. Bingo and Rolly know that ARF always knows. ARF does not know where to find a unicorn. ARF tells him, but ARF knows that the unicorn of the sea lives deep in the cold Arctic Ocean. Find a sea unicorn in the Arctic Ocean, Rolly says. How hard can that be? The three puppies aboard the ship can't look out from the deck. Only sees a horn pop out of the water. He shouts, "A sea unicorn over there!" They act as a scuba deer. The puppies look and look, and they don't see a sea unicorn anywhere. Maybe the whale can help us, Kaya suggests. Mr. Whale. When the whale turns around, Kaya grasps and she sees a giant horn. "You're the sea unicorn," she squeals. Actually, I'm a narwhal, explains. I'm just called the unicorn because of my horn. Just called a unicorn of the sea because of my horn. Fun fact, it's really a tooth. I bet he uses a lot of toothpaste, Rolly whispers to his brother. Rolly has a brother. Bob Rolly was his friend. Come to think of it, unicorn on Chloe's sweater look more like a horse. Sorry, just that we skip words sometimes. Let's continue with the fun. Have no more about unicorns than I do, the narwhal says. Bingo and Rolly know some horses. Maybe they know where to find a unicorn. Thank you, Mr. Sea Unicorn, Kaya calls. I mean, Mr. Narwhal. Don't forget to floss, Rolly adds. Bingo and Rolly, Kaya head back to home straight to the park. Horses, Kaya yells. Bingo and Rolly